Here is an explanation of the working principle of CO2 heat pump. The refrigerant absorbs heat from the air or water and compressed into high temperature and high pressure refrigerant by the compressor, then the high temperature and high pressure refrigerant is discharged. After the refrigerant is cooled by the condenser, transfers the heat to the water to achieve the heating function. The specifications of PODAK CO2 heat pump products are extensive. The heating capacity ranges from 6.8 kilowatts to 125.4 kilowatts. The water flow rate ranges from 129 to 2,396 liters per hour. COP from 4.5 to 4.7. The high temperature hot water can reach up to 90 degrees Celsius. Let me introduce you the specifications of PODAK CO2 heat pump products.